Of your rooms. One of these days I'm gonna show you how you can set a room actually to be a staycation. Oops. Guys, did you see the wind? Because I'm holding this umbrella, did you see how the wind just blew my umbrella away? Oh my god. So I'm gonna hold it so tight. Hi guys, Moto Lifestyle here. I am in my staycation in my backyard. This is my umbrella. It's a little bit windy, but I'm gonna have my staycation here. I have my pool chair with my Maasai suka, which represents the country of Kenya. Of course, I'm wearing a Kenyan attire here. So what I'm gonna do here, let me sit. I'm gonna be showing you how you can have fun in your own backyard. Guys, it's windy. The wind tends to bend my umbrella there. I hope it doesn't break it, but that's okay. So you can have your juice necessarily. This is the juice I'm going to be enjoying here in my backyard. It's Sunday and I love it. So instead of me going out and spending my money that I work so hard for, the best thing I can do is to stay in my backyard and have my own fun. Of course, you can decorate your backyard the way you want to. You can put your, like, this is my Maasai suka from Kenya. This is a tribe that represents Kenya. Hold on, guys. Guys, it's so windy, but I wanted to show you how you can literally have your own leisure time or enjoy your backyard, basking in the sand and enjoying your umbrella if you have one. This is a beach umbrella. I have so many umbrellas of this when we go to the beach, so we have to use these umbrellas. And behind me, as I told you, I have a Maasai suka. This suka, it represents one of the tribe in Kenya. It's called the Maasai tribe. It's the tribe that always has been keeping their tradition. As you know, every tribe has a tradition, but this tribe stands out because it's the tribe that has been keeping their tradition. Guys, it's so windy up to this moment. That's why I'm holding this umbrella so it doesn't fly away or it doesn't break. But anyway, the whole thing, I just wanted to show you how actually you can have fun in your own backyard when it's not that windy. You can enjoy. I forgot my sunglasses, which is okay. So let me show you if I can get my sunglasses because I feel so much wind in my eyes. And you can enjoy your juice. I love this Minute Maid juice. It's so cold and fresh. Wow. This is the one. Minute Maid. Don't judge me, okay? So guys, yeah. So you can have fun in your own backyard. You don't necessarily have to break the bank. Like, summer is coming very soon. I don't want people to start thinking like, oh, they're going to these expensive vacations and the airlines are very expensive. Literally, I'm talking to people who can't afford to go to a vacation, or you have so many kids, or you may have even one kid but you don't have that extra income. Okay, I'm talking about extra income after you paid your bills, after you paid everything that you owe, you know, that extra spending that you want to spend. And if you don't have that, don't worry, you can do a staycation in your own home. It doesn't necessarily mean you can do it in the backyard because it might be raining. You can do it in one of your rooms. One of these days I'm gonna show you how you can set a room actually to be a staycation. Oops. Guys, did you see the wind? Because I'm holding this umbrella, Did you see how the wind just blew my umbrella away? Oh my god. So I'm gonna hold it so tight so I can be talking to you. So I was talking about one of these days I'm gonna make a video to show in one of my rooms to show you how you can turn a room into a romantic room or a vacation room. You don't necessarily have to go to those expensive restaurants. Trust me, I have been going to these restaurants here in the US. Some of the restaurants can be pricey. Leave alone the fun, the food can be pricey. They bring you this very nice expensive plate, and it's heavy, it's colorful, or it's white, and literally what they put on that plate, it's just one piece of carrot, okay? And oh my goodness, you pay a lot. It's so pricey. So if you don't necessarily want to go through that, I'll be showing you how you can go cheaper and enjoy life as you can. You know, nobody deserves to spend your entire paycheck going out or just spending on other people or just buying these expensive flights. I don't, you know, I'm not against flying. I love to travel. I'm a traveler, by the way. So but traveling can be pricey. So I'm speaking to those people who are like, oh, we can never have fun, thinking like having fun is only traveling. No, having fun is anywhere you are. Trust me, it can be outdoor, it can be inside your house, it can be in your bedroom, it can be one of your rooms in your house, you know, it can be your front yard. It's what's in your mind, okay? That's a vacation. So since vacation, I can smell the vacations. Look, these umbrellas are for my vacations. Usually when we go to the beach, we take these umbrellas to the beach, and these umbrellas can be very pricey because when you go to the beach, it's sandy and sometimes it's hot. So you have to put these umbrellas with this kind of chairs that I have here behind me. And you rent sometimes some beaches, you know, you rent a space. Some beaches are just free public ones, but if you want a special one and you want to look fancy, of course you can get a private one, but it's gonna cost you. So that's why most of the time, even if you rent this umbrella like the one that I have here, you go on the beach and you want to rent one of these umbrellas, oh my goodness, it can take you a couple of dollars just to rent this umbrella. Or if you go to the beach and you want to rent this kind of chair that I have here, my pool chair, oh my goodness, this one that I'm sitting with right here. So this chair itself plus the umbrella, a shade, my goodness, it can be pricey. Leave alone you buy a drink. Wow, some of the beaches are going to cost, they're going to put a hole in your bank. So that's why I'm here, Moto Lifestyle, to be warning you right now that if you are thinking of breaking your bank, I'm not against that, but people who can afford, go ahead, girl, or whatever who you are, just go ahead and enjoy. But I'm speaking to the people who are choosing between maybe paying a mortgage or paying a car note or paying your credit card versus going to the beach, you know, like you want to belong to other people because your neighbors are going, because your friends are going, and you have bills that you need to pay. So I'm talking to you, I'm saying you do not absolutely need to break your bank to go to the beach, okay? You can enjoy this little drink here, and of course you can barbecue in your backyard, which I'll be making another video on how we can barbecue here and enjoy when it's not really that windy. But today I feel like it's so windy and I'm holding my umbrella because I wanted to make this video for you, but the wind is just blowing like crazy. That's why I'm like, oh well, let me just hold it and talk to you guys, okay? So if you are planning to go to a vacation or flying away or going far away from your home or driving, let me know what you think as we are nearing summer. Let me know, guys, what you are thinking about staycation. How would you make your staycation? Would you make a staycation or vacation in your home, in your room, or would you rather fly away? Okay, let me know what you think, guys. Let me enjoy this windy moment because I need to put this umbrella down, or I need to secure in a way so that you guys can be thinking. So far, I'm enjoying here in my backyard. It's Sunday, the weather is good, so let me enjoy my juice here. Guys, I'll catch you up in the next one. Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to turn on notification because I pop in some videos. So don't wait, don't make sure you turn it on so you see when I'm posting a video. Also make sure you share my videos with your family members, your friends, your co-workers, everybody. Tell them about this lady Umato lifestyle. Guys, from my backyard, my staycation. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.